That's a great question. So there's a bunch of articles that have recently come out talking about how flipping is at an all-time high in the last 10 years, which makes sense, right? Because it's in a market where everyone can buy, it's easy to get in, the barrier to entry is very low. Um, so does flipping houses inflate that? To some extent, I'll say yes. But realistically, people wanting to buy and being able to buy is the bigger inflation of housing prices than anything else. And, you know, we're seeing the same thing happen again, which is basically new housing inventory in most cities is down, which means, you know, or even available inventory. I mean, I was talking to a friend in Denver, I think, and she said in her zip code, there was 19 houses for sale currently in a city like Denver. Think about it. For a whole zip code of Denver, there was like 19 houses. That's unreal, right? Which means people are willing to pay more because they have the availability money. There's not enough inventory, and so we're seeing housing prices go up. Where I think flippers are helping out more is creating inventory that buyers actually want to buy. See, buyers don't like the houses that we buy. Most buyers don't want to buy those, right? We're talking right now, especially in today's market, 50, 60, $70,000 or more rehabs, which means I have to put that much money into fixing the house. Most buyers, when they walk through there and they get their inspector who tells them, here's your 80-page inspection report of all the things that are wrong, they're like, whoa, hang on a second. I didn't sign up for that, right? That's too much. And so, but us as investors, we come in saying, perfect, right? Because that's where the opportunity lies right now. And so, while I don't necessarily say that we're inflating housing prices, we're taking houses that probably wouldn't have been purchased otherwise and putting them on the market for buyers. So if anything, I think we're actually helping bring the prices down a little bit. Not a lot, because we're obviously charging, you know, whatever retail pricing you can get for it, but it's taking housing inventory that otherwise would have sat more than likely and putting it on the market for people who actually want to buy it.